He's aware of what will happen if he does not consciously dispose the product of his digestive system. The way to stay in the comfort zone while running. Perhaps they were planning to infiltrate the Aboriginal tribe, so they practiced the ritual dance first.
It's time for the percolator. It's time for the percolator. It's time for the
No te mueras, mi amor. No te mueras, Nana. No, por favor.
If the film crew are looking for an actor to play a death scene, they should really invite this dog. A professional ball player can control a ball twice as big as his body. Small people often have extraordinary strength.
Oh, no way.
Yeah. Yeah. Are you good? You can do it.
This dog looks like he grew a fifth leg. He won't move until the owner takes that leg away.
Buddy, help him out.
No.
No.
A blatant robbery happened, but the two robbers couldn't run away from the police mum.
Up! Good, sit down.
Maybe the mother's training the puppy to be strict and neat in case if he joins the army.
No muna. Wait lang. Go na! Go na po! Very good.
What are you doing?
Hmm?
What are you doing?